The next upgrade for the Jeep will be a Falcon Nexus 2.2 adjustable steering stabilizer. The reason I chose this steering stabilizer over other ones on the market is because it offers 3 settings, so you can adjust the stiffness of the steering depending if you're driving off-road, around town, or on the highway. Start by removing these 3 nuts on the passenger side of the vehicle. After removing the 3 nuts and bolts on the passenger side, we're going to remove these 3 bolts just to the left of the diff. After removing the 3 bolts to the left of the diff, we're going to take the factory hardware and put the provided Loctite onto the threads. We're going to take the bracket of the new Falcon steering stabilizer and loosely thread it into place. On the passenger side of the vehicle, with the wheel turned to the right, we're going to take the provided bracket with the provided hardware and slide them in place. We're going to take the spacer and the bottom bracket and put them on. We're going to take the nuts and thread them onto the bottom. Take this steering stabilizer and put it on its softest setting. We're going to take it and put it in between the brackets. Take the grade 8 hardware, put it through the top and through the bottom, and take the provided nut and put it on the bottom. Now that we got the steering stabilizer loosely in place, we will be taking these 3 bolts and tightening them to 30 foot-pounds. We will be taking these 3 bolts on the passenger side and tightening them to 59 foot-pounds.